Chapter 17, Part 2. We're going to look at the posse of the subjunctive again. So we've already looked at the past tense of the subjunctive, and this is just a review because we're doing a bunch of weird tenses right now. So the form is the subjunctive of the auxiliary verb and the past participle. Just like the passé composé is the regular present tense of the auxiliary verb, the indicative. Here we're going to use the present subjunctive of the auxiliary verb plus the past participle. And it's pretty common. So let's start off with a sentence. Il a eu tort. So avoir tort means to be wrong. Here it's in the passé composé. Eu is the past participle of avoir, conjugated with avoir also. So he was wrong, or he has been, or he has had, yeah, he has been wrong, we could say, but he was wrong is the best translation. Now, if we put it in a dependent clause where this needs to go into the subjunctive, we have j'ai peur qu'il ait eu tort. So here we have j'ai peur, I'm afraid that, and j'ai peur que requires the subjunctive. So this a eu tort turns to an a eu tort. Uh, the helping verb here in the present indicative changes to the present subjunctive here. I'm afraid that he was wrong. Now, it's usually translated like the passé composé, but not always. You want to get these subjunctive verbs into the right tense for the English structure. So here's some exercises, work on them, and then come back and look at the next video.